Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we'll be calculating the distance between 2 points in a 2D plane using JavaScript. This is a common task in math-heavy applications like maps, games, or data visualization. We'll make it super easy by using a built-in JavaScript method. Let's get started with the problem breakdown. We're measuring the straight line distance, also known as Euclidean distance, using Math.pow avoids manually squaring and summing differences. It simplifies the traditional distance formula and handles decimals accurately. Our function takes 4 coordinates and finds the differences in x and y. Then it calls Math.pow to compute the final length of the hypotenuse. This is perfect for any 2D distance check without writing complex math logic. Let's see what's happening behind the scenes. We subtract the x and y values to get the sides of the rectangle. Math.pow calculates the square root of the sum of squares internally. It is shorthand for math square root dx to dx plus dy to dy, but cleaner and more accurate. Let's explore some examples. We've tested the function with 3 examples. The first to confirm the formula's reliability with positive and negative coordinates. And if both points are the same, the result is simply 0. It works exactly as expected every time. This function is helpful in many real-world situations. You might need it for UI snapping, physics calculations, or distance filtering. It is a solid utility to keep in your JavaScript toolkit. Now let's wrap things up. And that's it for this lesson. We've just learned how to compute distances between 2 points with a single line of code. Keep this in mind for anything involving geometry or position checking. Thank you for tuning in, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.